Good evening, everybody. Excited to get prizes, right? Completely surprised. How many of you are expecting that you are going to get prize? Generally, no, based on your score. Based on your score. See, generally you cannot guess. Fine, put your hands down. Generally you cannot guess. Only the toppers. Before exam I have already announced some target, right? Only those students are sure that they are going to get prizes, but others you don't know who will get. Okay. So for a grand test 2, yesterday we have conducted, that is on 19th August 2025, right? And in that, on different grounds, I have taken the toppers, subject-wise toppers, different topics are there. Let me call one by one. Okay, and everyone should encourage. Then I invite the toppers to receive their prizes. Everyone should encourage with claps. Okay, let us go to the toppers first. There are two toppers. 78 out of 80. Vishruth and Riya. Vishruth and Riya. First topper, Vishruth and Riya. Okay, and second, a nice book. This is very informative. Show your prizes to them. Keep on clapping. Next, second topper, that is 77 out of 80. 77 out of 80. Two students have scored. Akshay and Naitik. Akshay and Naitik. Congratulations. But you should try to score 80 by 80, guys. 80 by 80. Anyway, good. Very good. Next, third topper, who scored 76 out of 80. Who is that? Rohan Reddy. After Rohan Reddy, 76 out of 80. Congratulations, brother. And guys, let me tell you, while only for 76, 77, 78 I announced as toppers, because in Navodaya exam, if you are scoring 76 and above out of 80 marks, then there is 99.9% chance, 100% we cannot say, no, 100% chance to get Navodaya seat. Okay, so everyone should try to score 76 and above in the upcoming grand tests and mock tests. Okay, very good. Next, some more prizes I have stored for the students who are in the race to be toppers. Who are in the race to be toppers. Who are in the race to be toppers means what? Those who have scored is 71 to 75. 71 to 75. We can say that they are in the race to be toppers. They are in the race to be toppers. I don't discourage anybody. Even those who have scored less than 70, if you try hard, even you can be the toppers. Right? But in this exam, those who have scored 71 to 75, just I will put a name that they are in the race to be toppers. But I am sure everyone can be in the race to be toppers. Just your hard work and dedication is required. Consistent hard work and dedication is required. Now, 71 to 75, 75 out of 80, 3 students have scored. Ajaya, Tejas and Aniket. Let us welcome them with a huge round of applause. Ajaya, Tejas and Aniket. They have scored 75 out of 80. Good. Keep on clapping, guys. You should keep on clapping. Good. And next, there are 2 students who have scored 73 out of 80. 73 out of 80. Jay Diksha and S. Vivan. Jay Diksha and S. Vivan. But generally these students I expected about 78. So because of some carelessness they have lost. But next time Next time. So loudly. Next time. 80 by 80. Okay? Good. Come here. Come in. Come here. Keep on clapping. Good. Good. And next, a new student. Really, we can appreciate him. A new student. Really, we can appreciate him. He's very silent in the class, but he's a killer in studies. Who is that? Riyansh. Yes, Riyansh. He has scored 71 out of 80. Being a new student, joined recently and scoring 71 out of 80 in the grand test. It's really commendable. Very good. And the next. Okay, I'm really sorry. One more name is missed. That is Nityasri. Even she is also a new student and she scored 71 out of 80. It's really a great achievement. Welcome, Nityasri. Very good. Keep on clapping. Next, I have kept some more prizes for encouragement. Encouragement prizes, those who have scored, please. Those who have scored 65 to 70 also, 65 to 70 also, I have kept some encouragement prizes. Okay. Why these prizes are given now for the students who have scored 65 to 70? It is to encourage you. It is to encourage you. See that in the next exam, you are the toppers. You are the toppers. And they are Jnanapriya scored 67 out of 80. Ranveer scored 66 out of 80. C.H. Sushant scored 68 out of 80. J. Avanis 69 out of 80. P. Rishant 69 out of 80. P. Manoj 69 out of 80. K. Mrunal 66 out of 80. P. Shreyas 69 out of 80. And Purnita. What's the score, Purnita? Purnita, what's the score? 65 out of 80. So 65 to 70. These guys have scored 65 to 70. Come here. Small guys. 65 to 70. So for your encouragement, prizes are given now. And next time, in the next exam, see that you are scoring at least above 75. No, at least above 77. Come here, ma. Wait. Priya, come here. Please stop. Stop there. Come here. Says, come here. Move. Okay. Keep on clapping. Good. So don't feel like these are small prizes. Your big prizes are waiting for you. Your big prizes are. Okay, silent please. Your big prizes are waiting for you in the next exam. If you score at least 77, minimum 77. Good. Good. Next, who can guess? Who will get the prizes? So next there are some 4th class students. There are some 4th class students. Sit somewhere, just somewhere. There are some 4th class students who have scored well. There are some 4th class students who have scored well. Well in the sense, almost 12 to 13 4th class students are there. And out of those 4th class students, I have taken 3 toppers. This is also encouragement prize for the 4th class toppers. Only among 4th class students. And see that in the upcoming exams, you are performing far better than this. And those toppers are Triguna, G. Triguna, U. Nachiket, Alekashri, and Manushree. Alekashri and Manushree. Who is missing? Alekashri is missing. Okay, fine. See, these prizes are given to the students among the toppers among 4th class students. Among 4th class students. You must try to score better than this in the next exam. Okay? Next, done this and mark this. Very good. And finally, no talking please. No talking. And finally, who will get prize? Subject-wise toppers also will get prize. Subject-wise toppers. It means in maths, mental ability and English, those who have scored 100%. Those who have scored 100%, for them also prizes are there. Mental ability toppers are mental ability who has scored 40 by 40. 40 by 40. Avanish, Vishrut and Purnita. Please welcome them with a huge round of applause. Encourage them. Avanish, Vishrut and Purnita. They have scored 40 by 40 in mental ability. Students, let me tell you, in Navodaya exam, mental ability, this subject plays a very important role in scoring well. Because in mental ability, you can score 100% without any mistake if you just observe the figures properly. Because to find the mental ability answers, there is no formula, no solutions, nothing. Just observe the figures properly and find the answer, right? They are the toppers. They are the 100% score holders in mental ability. 40 by 40. Very good. And in maths, there are 4 students who have scored 20 by 20. It means 100% score, and they are Akshay, Tejas, Vishrut and Naitik. Akshay, Tejas, Vishrut and Naitik. No talking among each other. They have scored 100% in mathematics. Scoring 100% marks in mathematics is really difficult, but it will be easy. It is very easy to score 100% mathematics even in real Navodaya exam if you practice consistently every day. Every day practice is required. Every day practice, and whenever there is holiday, you must utilize maximum time to practice, because the more you practice, the more you score in mathematics, especially in mathematics. Okay? So these are the 100% score holders in mathematics. Very good. No clapping. Who's that shouting? Good. And then in English, there are 2 students who have scored 100%, Riya and Rohan. Riya and Rohan Reddy. No encouragement from girls' side. Riya and Rohan Reddy. They have scored 100% in English. Very good. Fine. So guys, almost many students you have got prizes. See, let there be a small prize or a big prize. Prize is always prize only. No small, no big. And prizes are given to motivate you, to encourage you to study better than this however you have studied till now. Getting my point? So see that you are doing hard work, you are showing your dedication towards your preparation. Why? Because guys, we are preparing for Navodaya exam, and in 5th class, to appear for Navodaya exam, we have lifetime one chance. Once you lost in 5th class, if you want, also the second time you cannot write Navodaya exam. This is only one time opportunity in whole life. So everyone must utilize this time. We have only 3 months or 3 to 3.5 months. Start preparing seriously. Now onwards, and everyone can be an achiever. Everyone can be an achiever. Just your seriousness, your dedication is required. See, just I can teach you. I can teach you, but I can't practice for you. I can't write exam for you, right? Yes or no? You have to practice and you have to write exam. However, I guide you for every week we are conducting exam. For that there are different guidelines I give you, and in the grant test also I have given many guidelines. See that you are following it seriously and consistently. Consistency is very important, guys. What is the meaning of consistency, Rohan Reddy? What is the meaning of consistency? Now on regular basis. Suppose you are practicing for 2 hours, regularly you must practice for 2 hours. If you want, you can increase your practice timing, but you should not decrease. Okay, if it is there like this, and that too seriously. Seriously, my father is watching, my mother is watching, just I will do something. So I will sit there for 2 hours, and the result is, output is 0, no use. If you practice for 2 hours, practice seriously. And take different books, like we have only whatever from that you can take questions. From science school book we can take questions and we can practice. And don't neglect easy chapters, don't neglect even mental ability and English. Generally, since mental ability will be easy, generally students don't practice, but don't neglect it, guys, because you have experience that how many 4 students got mental ability 20 by 20. 3 students only got mental ability 40 by 40. Why not others? Because of negligency. Because of negligency. Okay? See that you are not showing any negligency for your preparation in any subject. In any subject. And utilize the opportunity, guys. Because somebody has said, opportunity comes once. Opportunity comes once. And especially now, in case of Navodaya exam, one time in whole life. Utilize it. Okay? Once again, congratulations to all the toppers, winners, and be ready for the next grand test after Dasara holiday. Be ready for the next grand test after Dasara holiday. Once again, class of Arush, B. Arush, he is among the 4th class students, he has scored 64 marks and he is the topper. He is the first rank holder among 4th class students. Please, Arush. Welcome, please. Sorry. Okay, one more thing I forgot, guys. My son, Shivans, or Shan, in formative assessment 1, he has scored 100% in mathematics, English, EVS, and GK. Let us welcome Master Shan to take his prize. Very good. So your prize is like this. Very good. So here.